Oh, it's spicy. I will start with Chinese cabbage. You can also use cabbage, carrot, broccoli, or kale for this recipe. Cut to remove the bottom part. I will use about 4 to 5 leaves only because I got quite a big cabbage. Then, thinly slice it. As I mentioned earlier, my cabbage is quite big, so if I would just slice it like that, it would probably make 2 big pieces in the dish. Next, I will cut the green onion for about 2 inches per piece. Don't forget the garlic. Smash it to remove the skin and thinly slice it. Do the same for shallot. Peel and slice it. For today's recipe, I use shrimp, but you can cook with any meat that you prefer. I like to use scissors to cut it back open to remove its black vein and its skin. Much easier with scissors than using a knife, trust me. When I go eat somewhere and they didn't devein the shrimp, it cuts off my appetite, you know. How about you? Do you devein your shrimp? This is the udon noodles that I can find around. It is Yude udon noodles. The brand is Miyako Ishi. I can read it because there is some English behind the package. Before stir frying it, we have to boil them in hot water for about 2 minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe so far, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell. Like that, you will never miss the next ones. Try to not overcook the noodles if you want to have a good chewy texture. 2 to 3 minutes should be enough. And don't forget to stir to separate them. When they have come apart, get them straight out to a strainer. Then bring it into a new bowl. To not let the noodles start to stick to each other, add some oil like avocado oil, olive oil, or sesame oil. Any oil that you prefer. Everything is ready now, so let's get started. Heat your wok with high heat and add some cooking oil. Then shallot and garlic. Fry them for about 3 minutes or until they turn to a nice yellow color and the aroma comes out. Next, add the cabbage. Let's add a little bit of black soy sauce for the color. Mix it well and don't let it cook more just now. After that, add shrimp and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the chili flakes and stir everything well. At this moment, it could be a good idea to open the window because the smell of the fried chili should start to be a bit strong. Before the shrimp are cooked, add sugar, oyster sauce, and the noodles. Then toss it with high heat to have some really nice brown shards everywhere. Even if I forgot to film it, don't forget to add some spring onion. And here it is, guys, garlic udon noodles with crunchy shrimp and spicy Thai chili flakes, full of flavors. But when I say spicy, I'm not kidding. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and show that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย Mm.